Did you know India's oldest mountain ranges are being cut down? Yes, Aravalli Hills, older than the Himalayas, are being destroyed. Aravallis save us from desertification, give us clean air, and protect us from the floods. But illegal mining and deforestation is breaking the natural shield. If Aravallis fall, groundwater drops, heat rises, and the cities suffer. Saving Aravalli isn't a choice, it's necessity. If we don't save nature, nature will not save us. So, we have shared enough comedy videos, but now it's time to share something that matters. Share this video until the authorities wake up and change this decision.